Hi, Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen. Today what I am doing is making leftover turkey, making turkey soup. And how I did that is I took the carcass from the turkey and I cooked the crap out of it, the shit out of it, through onions, garlic. But literally, you just cut a piece of garlic in half, throw it in there. Onions, leave everything on. And usually while I'm cooking, I'm freezing up celery and carrots. Just put it all in there. I mean, literally, I had this much of parsley, put that in there, cover it with water, a lot of salt and pepper, bay leaves, and I let it just bring it up to a boil, and then a low simmer, 2-3 hours. And then I strain it, take the meat off. I add a little bit of the leftover meat. That's where this came in. And now I'm sauteing, let's say about 5 onions. I think I had about 6 celery stalks. And you can see I'm sauteing it here. And then I'm gonna put in the garlic, but it's gonna be really good. And just let it cook. It's great leftovers. Okay, this is kind of soft. The celery is still a little crunchy, as well as the carrots, because the carrots are like bite-sized pieces, but that's fine because that'll cook down once I start cooking it. I'm adding the garlic now until it becomes fragrant, about a minute or 2. Mix that in there. Freshly ground red pepper for a little bit of a kick. Now when I'm finished with this, you can make gnocchi on the side, put it over noodles, or just eat it like that. Thyme leaves. I would, you know, let's do this. This way you can measure it. I'm going to say a tablespoon, because this is going to be a big, tablespoon. Thyme leaves. I'm going to put 1 bay leaf, 2 bay leaves. See how I'm just doing this? It's like, I'll just put this in there. Mix it all together. I want to get that garlic sauteed. This looks really pretty with the green. Okay. Now what we're going to do is the heat went onto this bowl. I'm going to leave that in this film. I'm always burning myself. Okay. Whew. It's a little scary. That was hot. That was very hot. That almost went flying. All right. I'm going to put in this parsley. Try not to cut myself. Let's add the tomatoes. Mix all this up. Oh, this looks really good. Looks pretty. Okay, now I've turned down the temperature. I like to use a strainer. This is cool, because I might have missed some bits which are kind of hard to get, but pour it in. Any leftover stock, freeze it. Then you can make another soup. I think we're good. That's it, everyone. Voila. Be back in an hour maybe, and we'll do a taste test. All right, we are ready for a taste test. This smells fabulous. My whole house smells like soup, turkey, everything. So let me give you some tidbits. I sometimes put in some cristal into my soup. You can also add green beans and corn into your soup, or gnocchi noodles, whatever you want, but don't put the noodles into the soup. Make that on the side so that they don't get soggy if you're heating the soup back up. So let's see how this is. The carrots, the celery, everything is tender, bite-sized pieces. Delicious. Add a little parsley, fresh parsley if you want. All right, I'm drinking some cab with this. Cheers, Happy New Year. I hope everyone's having a great holiday season. And see you next time on Josie's Fun Kitchen. And please remember to subscribe, share, like, comment, etc., etc. See you next time. Cheers.